Welcome to Bard Tech Talk. I'm Maury Tiernan. Today's topic is the operation and commissioning of the CRV-F5 on-off classroom ventilator for the WA, WH, and CH units. Specifically, this video covers the CRV-F5 in a W48H. The unit components you'll be working with are the low voltage terminal block, damper blade set screws, and the damper blade airflow charts found in the respective CRV install manual. This CRV does not have a control board, but rather a direct 24-volt AC connection to the actuator motor energized at the low voltage terminal A. We will start with the basic non-CO2 sensor controlled method. Use the flow charts from document 2100-751 on pages 9 through 13 for your specific unit model number. This unit is a W48H. For 30 students, 450 CFM, page 10 shows the damper setting would be 5. Outside air is drawn into the unit from both sides. There is a damper set screw blade stop required for both the left and right damper. This is found shipped on each side of the unit behind the outside mist filter. Remove the screw and reinstall in the correct blade stop position for the desired ventilation CFM. With power to the unit and both screw stops in the correct position, jumper wire R to A on the low voltage terminal block. This will energize the damper actuator, but not the indoor blower motor with this CRV. The damper will stop where the screw is inserted at blade stop 5, which will take about 20 seconds. Remove the jumper wire on A and the actuator will spring load closed. To have the indoor blower motor energize with the CRV, jumper R to G and A. Energizing G and A with 24 volts will open the damper and run the indoor blower. This allows an independent ventilation operation separate from comfort conditioning. This basic non-CO2 sensor control method has two choices. Do you have a stat or EMS with a separate function to control ventilation independent of heating or cooling? If so, then energize terminal G and A on the low voltage terminal block. If you want the damper to open when G is energized with comfort conditioning, do not energize A separately on the low voltage terminal block. Instead, add a permanent jumper from G to A. This would be a constant ventilation method during occupied times. The CRV operates, open and closed, the same for a single stage or two-stage compressor unit. Understand the ventilation CFM will be less on first stage than second stage of a two-stage unit with a fixed blade on-off damper. There is one choice with a CO2 sensor control method with this classroom ventilator. Fixed position damper, open closed when A is energized. The damper will open and close based on the CO2 sensor set points. We suggest you contact your Gary Pacific Bard TSM to assist you with a wiring drawing and setup details for a CO2 sensor method. That's the basics on the Bard CRV F5 classroom ventilator. Hope you find this helpful. See you next time we talk Bard Tech.